Dude, I don't know who the hell he is.
I'm trying to get my friend to start playing VR chat, but she like broke her computer somehow. She just.
Hello everyone, I'm The Awakened,
There's no way to recover from that.
and
Wait.
welcome to my cooking channel.
1 second, I
So,
will fix for you.
I haven't
first
slept
off,
in 8
you want to
hours.
grab a
This is
pan? Thank you. Then, you gotta go to your kitchen. Mine's a very basic one.
Where the hell did you go?
You know, just a stove, salt,
You're so cute. I'm sorry.
ketchup, and mayonnaise.
You have panties that shade the color.
Now, first,
It's real impressive.
Here you go.
Then.
the first thing you want to do is grab
Oh my god, you're so cute.
Are you happy
I
with your
didn't mean to do that to you.
your
I was
raw
fooling
meat.
around with the dog.
You've done this? What have you done?
I also
with
want to
your
come up
life?
to it.
Now, first we're gonna be making, whatever this is.
Hey, Kit Kat, you have
Hey,
a
yo,
microphone?
what's up? Yeah, hey.
Hey, type something offensive on the wall, please. It's art.
So, as I was saying, you grab your raw meat, you put it in the pan,
Hey, people who spout no.
and then you grab the salt, and you put the salt on the apple. Sorry, raw meat. This is salt, right? Yeah, close enough. You put the salt on the apple. And then good. Then you have salted apple. You let it simmer for a few minutes. You let it simmer. And then once it's done simmering, you put some pepper on it. You let it simmer for a little longer. And then, and your roasted apple is done. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial. If you want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment asking what type of food you would like to see next. And thank you guys for watching.